I want to speak for a few minutes to kind of make it easier for our readers and viewers about the difference between your Castiglione blend, which, by the way, I think is one of the most affordable, greatest Barolos I have ever seen on the market. It's just a fantastic wine, and you make it very affordable for people. So personally, I thank you for that. But the difference between the Castiglione blend and the Nebbiolo Perbacco, which we also had enjoyed the other night at a local pizzeria, what are the differences between these two?
First of all, Castiglione is our Barolo and Perbacco is our Nebbiolo, but technically and legally the Perbacco could be easily a Barolo. Castiglione Barolo is our Barolo, is our primary Barolo. It's not a single vineyard, but it's really our primary Barolo. In the Castiglione goes the Villero when we do not make any Riserva. So we know that Villero goes in the Castiglione when it's not made as a Riserva. So Castiglione is the Barolo that we honestly want to use for our everyday working with the Barolo. With the Crus, is very difficult because the quantity are too limited. Sure. And are, as happened for many wineries, super allocated, and the demand is higher than the availability, becomes very difficult. So to have a Barolo like the Castiglione is for us extremely very important, because we can have a product to work with a little bit longer than only with the Crus. But in the Castiglione we, let's say, sacrifice also part of our best vineyard. Castiglione is a blended Barolo, but is not a secondary Barolo. Is our really first one. Perbacco is our entry level, our basic. It's a place to start. But I repeat, technically and legally could be honestly a Barolo.
The Perbacco is an excellent place to start. Very affordable. You know, we've had it before. You pair it with red sauce pasta. You pair it with pizza. It's a very friendly, delicious wine.
This is what we are looking for these wines. We are looking for these wines, and we are looking for people that when I arrive here, and for me that I take mostly care of all the visits. It's very important to have people arriving here and to say, I never had Vietti, I started to know you because I had your Perbacco, or because I had your Trevigne, or so the most simple wines. So this is something that make us feel very, very, very proud. And of course, Perbacco is for many that arrives here the Barolo for every day, because in terms of quality and price is. Can be a Barolo for every day.
Well, you're doing an excellent job, as I said at the beginning. Everything from the entry level all the way up to the single cru. You're firing on all cylinders. You're doing everything right, and I'm sure you're going to look forward to the 2015 vintage, which hopefully will be a little bit easier than the 2014 vintage for so many people here. So best of luck with everything.
Grazie.
On everything you're doing.
Thank you very much. Grazie mille. Grazie. Thank you.